In today's video, I'm going to be doing a maintenance item, which is cleaning the washing machine. We found online some steps to go through to clean our washing machine, and ours happens to be a vented one. It's a Splendide 2100 XC. So I'm assuming if you had a non-vented, there would be a lot more lint buildup, but I don't know. But it's probably time to do that. So I'm gonna go through the steps, take care of it, and let you know what I think. Okay, I've been reading online about how you should clean your washer about once a month. It's been a long time. I've never cleaned it. So, I'm going to attempt to do that. Sean sent me a link to my phone so that I could read it. It said it needs to be empty, dryer to off, and set the wash cycle to 11. Add 1 cup of vinegar. So, that's what I'm going to do. And since this is a pint, it's about half of this. And it just ran straight through, so hopefully it goes where it's supposed to. It smells. Press start, allow the drum to fill with water. Then when the water stops, press and hold the start button to cancel the cycle. But when it washes, it normally fills with water and turns and fills with water and turns and fills with water and turns. So maybe on cycle 11 it will just continually fill. I don't know. It sure is running a long time, so maybe it will. So it says to stop by pressing the start button to cancel. All the lights will illuminate and then turn off again. Switch to cycle 2 and press start. I guess I've never watched it wash without clothes in it, because it sure seems like there's a lot of water in there. I always wipe off the gray rubber ring, and there tends to be lint on the top and then inside the fold of that rubber ring. Well, it's kind of soapy, which surprised me, and I can actually see the water right here. So I mean, it's got like 2 or 3 gallons in there, which I've never seen before. You know? Okay, so press and hold the start button to cancel. Then switch to cycle 2. And then press start again and allow the washer to run a full cycle. I pressed start and it switched off. Switched to cycle 2, and then it said to press start again, and it would take about 1 hour and 45 minutes. And then it says wipe the drum and the door down, the rubber seal. So I guess we'll see what it looks like after we're done. I ran the vinegar through it once, then wiped it all out, then ran it a second time, so all I have left is to wipe it out again. The one thing I was really surprised at is how much suds were in it during the wash cycle. I was really surprised it was so soapy, so it must have got out quite a bit of soap residue. When I wiped it out the first time, I found one little thing of lint, but that was all. But watching the wash water, I could actually see a little bit of debris in there, so must have worked. So all I have left is to wipe it out. Cool. All done.